This is simple with the signature of Albert Lee. Complete name is simple. 74 years as Singaporean retired. Okay, this is his vlogs. I help him to take video and photo. This is our family brunch at Blackford. This is the dessert. Yesterday I cooked. Okay. With the freezer first and cut it. Okay. Grabbing carbonara, penne, pasta with fries and chicken and some cheese. Enjoy folks at Blackford, the Wolf of Singapore, March 18, 2026. Enjoy Singapore, our family brunch. Enjoy Singapore. May some minutes of sleeping, okay? Enjoy Singapore. Exciting video. The first video is in the toilet. Enjoy Singapore.